Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Wiko View 3 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then download an app called Send Anywhere and open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow, and do the same on Wiko. Now choose Send on Wiko device and tap on Receive on an Android. Now tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose Receive, or tap on the scanning icon over here on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point camera at the code. Then we need to wait. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. But you can always check it out by going into some kind of Files app, like File Manager or Files. Click Browse in the middle and tap on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!